This is NgahTech, Gabriel from NgahTech Group. Today we are going to be looking at our paragraph group, still under our home tab. So yeah, let us look at the different commands that are actually on this particular group. The first one we're going to look at is that if you press Ctrl A, you are going to select all our text. Okay, Ctrl A means that what? You press the Ctrl keyboard on your, let's look at the virtual key. Okay, let me show you where it is virtual keyboard. Okay, so when you say press Ctrl, it means that you should press the Ctrl key. Okay, if I say Ctrl A, click on that text, okay, your text box, press on Ctrl key and then press A. Okay, you press and hold the Ctrl key and then you press A. That was referred to as Ctrl A. So now, what we want to do now, we want to actually look at, let me minimize this, okay. We want to look at the different commands on our paragraph group. So what do? The first one by default is the align left, okay. The align left does what? It aligns all the contents with the left margin, okay. So the alignment, if you see, if you hover, this is what we refer to as hovering. So when you hover on top of that particular command or option, you see it will give you some brief explanation about the command. Then we also have the align center. The align center permits us to align our text at the middle, which means that both sides of the text are going to be in a disorder manner. It can be aligned left, it means that all the left side or left margin will be in a orderly manner, okay, but the right side will be in a disorder manner, whereas align center will make both sides to be in a disorder manner. This center is mostly used for titles, okay. They also have align right, means that it's going to permit all the information on the right, from the right is going to be in an orderly manner, and the left is going to be in a disorderly manner. So justify, this is justify, which means that you can permit both sides of your text or information to be in straight line, okay. That's what is referred to as justified. So here we have line and paragraph spacing. So after working with your text, you can now format it by what of formatting. You can decide to give the line to be 1.0. You want to give it to 1.5. By default, it's always 1.15. So we can give it to 1.15. Then you can remove every space before paragraph. So if there's any space before paragraph, we remove. You see this here. So before the paragraph, you might find some spaces here. So what do? We can remove those spaces. We also we can remove every space after the paragraph. So we can also remove it. You say it's going to become a bit closer compared to before. Okay, so after this, we're also going to look at if you want more functions, you can go into this line space options. Okay, it's going to give you more options for you to do. They also have our bullet, okay, bullet library that permits you to name it, okay, and you can give the different bullet style that we want. Each one is going to be defined. Remember, it's only where there is a paragraph, that means that when they press enter, that this is going to affect. So it means that after this one, if I press enter, you see it's going to give me this bullet. Okay. Then we also have our numbering. If you want to number, please select the place that you want to number, and you give it a number. It can be in Romans, want it to be, depending ABC, depending on what you want. Okay, we can also shift our information towards the right. Okay, you can shift our information towards the right. Let's say we want to take it to the right, we can take it to the right. Okay, we can take it to the left, and basically that's how it is. This one is on the sort. If you want to sort, you can click here. If you want to also indicate where we have any problem, we'll click here. So on our next video, we're going to work detailing on these other functionalities so you can see, we'll take our time to explain everything. Thank you very much. See you on the next video.